Okay, so we've just taken the quiz and we are actually going to go to Google Classroom now and do some stuff with pictures in Pixlr X on the website that was suggested on GCF Learn Free on your assignment yesterday. So here it is. It's called Cropping, Resizing, and Rotating Images. Let's go to your period instead of first period, just for fun. And so here's the website, and we're going to be first downloading these 6 images as the original images because we're going to be making some adjustments, cropping, resizing, and rotating of the said images. So I think here's the best way we can do this. We're going to create a folder on the desktop. So right click, new folder. Let's just call it images for Pixlr. Okay. And we're going to left click on each image, then right click and save image as, so that we can get the full sized image. And we're going to put them in our folder that we created. And so we are left clicking, right clicking, saving each of these so that we have all 6. And Windows is nice enough to put them all in the same folder that we started with as an option, so that's good. So save as, save, going back, number 5, and almost to number 6. So one more to go. And I've got all 6 of my images in there. Now, it says that we're going to do some image stuff on Pixlr X. So as we read down, we can actually click right here, and I'll put a link on the Google Classroom assignment as well. So cropping is first, and I'm going to open up one of my images and go to my folder. And which one do I want to do with cropping? I know on the website they use the butterfly. I think I'm going to do the bird instead. Okay, I'm going to do the full HD quality. So right now, this is a beautiful picture of a river or a lake or a swampland. Got some background image. I want more of the bird as the subject. It talks about cropping. That's the cropping tool right here. You can resize to what you want, so you have more bird. Maybe I want to include a little bit of the cross line in the back there. Maybe I want him to give him some lead room. We'll talk about that later when we do video. But now I've got a more composed subject, and so it says apply right here. So now my new picture is more bird, less of the background, and that's kind of essentially what we're trying to do with cropping. And then we can actually save it. Move myself out of the way here so you can save that. And so your goal today is to have a before and after. So we already have all 6 befores, and then let's just add the word after, and then cropped, so we know what we did to it. So after and cropped, and then we'll download it, and we can put it into our folder that's on our desktop. So does it put it in the right folder? What folder did it put it into? Oh no, it's in the downloads. So what I'll have to do is, easiest way I found to do this is just drag it off the Chrome there. So I'm going to drag it out there. Then I'm going to find my folder, put it in, and now I've got my befores, and then I have my after cropped. And you're going to do that for each of the 6 images. So you're going to be either cropping or resizing or, what was the third one? Rotating. So going back, let's open up another picture to show you resizing. So open image, let's resize this one because it's too big for an email, let's say, because it's an HD quality. So I'm going to click on this arrange. I'm going to resize the image. I need it to be half as big, so roughly half of 1900 is 950-ish, and then since this constrained proportions thing is toggled, it will give me this number automatically. Otherwise, if I untoggled it, I can put any number in there that I want. So I can apply. Now it's a smaller image. I can save that, put it into my folder, and so forth. The third type that you're going to want to do is a rotation, and let's open this one with the people on it. And on our GCF Learn Free, it explains how to do your rotations. So again, you're going to crop the crop button, and then you've got your rotate features right here. So we're going to go do that. We're going to click the crop button and rotate. You can rotate like at certain degrees. You can flip horizontal, that sort of thing. So I'm just going to turn them like that. Maybe I'll do a little cropping at the same time, so you can mix and match some of these tools as well. So I'm going to crop, give them a little headroom there. Okay, apply, and so now I've got my rotated and cropped picture, and I can save that and put it in a folder. Once you have all 12 pictures, 6 originals, 6 that have been altered by cropping or resizing or rotating, you are going to upload it to Google Drive. And in your Google Drive, you should have, I'm going to go to my student view here, you should have your folders that we did. So graphic design, music creation, photography, that sort of thing. So we're going to go into photography, and we're going to do new folder upload, and we are going to upload the entire folder of our 12 pictures. And then what we can do is for the actual assignment, we're going to share the entire folder so that you don't have to upload 12 pictures. So we open this up. This little arrow right here gives us a share, and you get the shareable link, and anyone at Bullard High School, including me, can see it. So you can copy that link, go to the assignment right here to turn it in. So cropping, sizing, rotating images. I'm going to add a link. Control V to paste. Add the link. And I'm going to turn that in. So I have 6 originals, 6 that I have done rotating, resizing, or cropping with. And me, I like to click it and make sure that my pictures are there. So yep, everything's working good. I've turned it in. That's the assignment today. If you have questions, come back to this brilliant video or ask me while I'm in class. Have fun!